During Phase 1, students will enter the housing portal and select Renew My Housing. Select the next academic year and click Apply. On the next page, we'll ask you to confirm you've selected the correct term. Review your personal details and contact information, updating any outdated information, and answering the required accommodation needs question. Once finished, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll have the opportunity to review current Living Learning Community options for returning students, and select them as a preference if you would like to. Otherwise, click Save and Continue. On the Living Preferences page, this is where you can let us know if you need something specific or just prefer something in your housing. You must add at least one preference, but can add up to 3. Anyone needing extended living should list it as their number 1 preference. We've copied over your roommate preferences from your last application. Please take a moment and update all of your roommate preferences so that you can match with other students when it's time to form roommate groups, or in the event that we need to match you with a roommate. Please enter a brief description of yourself so other students know who you are and what you like. Consider what you'd wish you'd known about your current roommate, or what you've learned about yourself over the past few months. Now it's time to refresh yourself on the housing contract terms and conditions. Please read the terms of the housing contract thoroughly and make sure that you understand everything. You also have a chance to save a copy of the contract here or print it out. Once you've reviewed everything, use your wku ID number to sign your contract. If you mistype your ID number, you'll be prompted to re-enter it. Next, you can search for your preferred roommate by screen name, or search for any roommate that matches your profile. Creating a roommate group is optional. If you wish to bypass this step, simply click Save and Continue. Most students will have the option to renew their current bed for the next academic year. We call this squatting. To squat in your room, select your current room on the Same Hall, Same Room page. On the next page, you can assign yourself and a confirmed roommate to a bed space in that room and click Assign Beds. If you like your room and are good to go for the next year, there's no need to participate in Phase 2. However, you will still receive a room selection time slot in case you'd like to shop around and look for other halls. If you cannot renew to your bed, meaning you're ineligible to squat, simply click Continue. You have reached the Application Complete Next Room Selection page, and you'll be included in Phase 2 and can choose a room at that time. After Phase 1 ends, housing staff will assign students who completed Phase 1 to a room selection time slot. You will receive this via email a few days before Phase 2 begins. If you have any questions, please reach out to your hall director, the Housing Central office, or review our webpage at wku.edu/housing.